Hello everyone. Today we are going to demonstrate how we can create an integration process and configure OData adapter and call a OData service which is there on cloud. So what we will do here is we will go to the package that we have created earlier. You can refer to the earlier videos. Come to edit, click on add, click on integration flow, put the name as OData demonstration, click on OK. Select the artifact which has been created. So once you are inside the package, we will try to configure this quickly. So this is the sender channel, this is the main integration process, this is the receiver that we have got. Okay, so we click on edit, connect this sender channel. So I'll make a HTTPS call, okay, so that we can quickly do this. We can trigger it from our postman. I'll put an address. I'll put the address as OData. The role required here is ESP messaging.send. I already have that role assigned to my user. So click on save. Now what we will do is we will call the particular OData. For calling an external OData service, what I need to do here is you need to come to calls, external call, and then request reply. So once I do this, I'll bring this receiver here. Okay, connect this request reply here. Now I'll select OData from the adapter connection, OData version 2. Okay, so you can see I have got the OData version 2 here. Come to connection tab. Here I need to enter the address. So which OData service we will be using. Okay, so we will use for the first service from Northwind. Okay, so if you can see my screen, I have a service from Northwind. Okay, I'll be using this. There is no authentication required for this service, so we will be using this. This is completely on cloud. So I'll come here, put this in the address. Okay, and come to processing. Okay, so in processing I'll enter the resource path. For doing so, what we need to do is we need to click on the select button. So click on select, click on step 2. Here you need to select the particular entity set that you need to connect to. Okay, so I'll select to the product entity set. Okay, select product, click outside. I need the product ID, product name, say supply ID, and category ID. Okay, so I'm taking these 4 fields, okay, from this product set. So now that you see the operation here is query get. Okay, so I'll have the query created here. Okay, that's a query is created here, that from the products table, product entity set, I'm selecting these few fields. Okay, so come here, click on finish. Now the EDMX has been generated, the connection to the particular service has been made. Okay, click on save. Now this has been saved, click on deploy. Okay, so this has been deployed. What I can do here is I can come here and duplicate this tab. Come back here, go to the monitoring option or the operation view. Come down to manage integration content. So the process is in starting process. The status here is starting for this integration flow. You can refresh this. Once the deployed process has a status started, then we will take the endpoint, go to postman. Here we'll create a request, get request. We'll put the authorization as a basic auth. So this is the username, okay, followed by the password that I have from my BTP account, Business Technology Platform account. If you do need that information, you can always come here to your BTP account. You can come to integration and user information. So here you will find it. Okay. So as of now, I have provided this. So I'll come here. Okay, I don't need a body because I'm just triggering the process and it is calling that OData service and getting the details for the product entity set. Okay, so I don't need a body here. Okay, so we are good here. Okay, but before we trigger this, there is one more step that you need to be mindful of, that is the messaging.send role. Okay, so for that what we will do here is we will come to our profile. So I already have this integration provisioner auto role collection, and I've added this messaging send role, okay, that we saw here, okay, for to trigger the process ESB messaging dot send. So we will assign the role to the particular role collection integration provisioner auto role. So I have already done that. Okay, so this is my profile. These are the role collections that I am having. So I'll go to my travel account. I'll quickly show you how this looks like. You can come to the role, assign it to role collection, go to the role collection, or go to the role collection and assign the role. Okay, so I'll show you the role collection here. Let me search with integration. So this is the role collection that I have, and this is the role that I have assigned. Okay, so this role is important for you to trigger the process, otherwise you won't be able to trigger the process. You will have an authorization error. So I'll come here to this. Okay, before I do that, I'll do one more step here is I'll come to this deployed process, okay, and change the log label to trace so that you can see the payload which has been generated. Come to Postman and click on send. Now you can see in the response we have got the product details. Okay, so if you can see the field selected, category ID, supply ID, product name and product ID, all these fields we have got. Okay, for this entity set products. Okay, so if I can show you on the service as well. Okay, come here for products. Okay, so this is the data that we have got. Okay, so we are pulling the data from here. Okay, now let's quickly go back and see how the process has been triggered. We will check the same payload, okay, from the trace. So this is the process trigger, okay, or the process flow. So if I come here to end, go to message content, payload, yep. So yeah, we are triggering that particular OData, okay, and from that entity set that we are calling, okay, products, we are getting all the details that we want, okay. So this was a small demonstration how you can use OData adapter, okay, for service which is on cloud, okay. Thanks for watching this video.